Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix screen flickering on the Samsung Galaxy A52s. So, if your screen is flickering, like it goes dark, from dark to light pretty quickly, I'm going to show you a few things that you can do to try and fix that. So the first thing that we can try doing is just adjusting the brightness. So in the control panel, we have this brightness option, so we just drag it up and down to change the brightness of our phone. So just make sure to play around with that until the screen flickering either disappears or becomes a little more less noticeable. So then what we also can do is disable the adaptive brightness. So if we go to settings of our phone, and then we click on display, and then we have adaptive brightness. If we toggle that off, that also might help. Or if you didn't, try toggling it on too, to see if maybe that changes something. So just play around with the adaptive brightness option. And then what we can also do is go even further and download a screen dimmer app that makes our screen even darker beyond what our phone usually allows us to. So you can make it either darker or brighter. So just go to the Play Store and get like a screen dimmer app or something like that. Download it and go through the process and just make your screen darker or brighter to see if that also helps you. And the last thing we can try doing is checking for the software update. So a software update might fix your issue that you're having because it might be a known bug, and the new software update might fix that. So what you need to do is open up the settings, scroll down to software update, click on download and install, and here we're going to have a new software update. So just download it, go through the setup process, and you're going to have a new software available. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.